So this video is going to show you how to assemble the keychain. So let me first show you your keychain. Will hopefully be in this file. Mine's over here, which is the sample. Just to show you what it looks like, it's just a simple round part, and here is our ring. To put them together, you go to the assembly document. The ring is already in here. So all you need to do is say insert and select your part file, and then select your part. And you can come over and click it into the space and hit the green check. So now they're both in there. You just need to hit this, which is a fastened mate. It basically means it's going to fasten the two parts together. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click this sort of semicircle, which is called a mate connector. And then I'm going to click a similar one on yours, except I'm going to get inside the cylinder so that you get the middle of the part. And you got to get to the right angle. So you can see this is the outside, that's the middle of the cylinder, and that's the far side. I'm going to pick the middle. And I'm going to zoom back out. And you can see that's now looks right. So just make sure it looks right before you hit the green check. If not, start over and click again. That's it. Now your keychain is assembled. You can zoom in to make sure that it looks right. Make sure it looks like the ring is going to clear your keychain, which in this case it does. That's it.